this is Tanya and I've been a Zcode member for about 2 years now. I just wanted to make a quick video and let people know just how amazing and profitable Zcode systems has been for me. I was just a newbie when it came to sports betting, used to dabble a bit in horse racing, but I was absolutely clueless when it came to other sports. You know, sports betting can really pay off well, especially if you get in on the high odds matches or games. And you know what it's like, the thrill of winning a long shot. But unless you have a methodical system in place, you'll end up losing more often than winning. Now, on my own, I felt my selections were quite random. I'd sometimes follow these self-proclaimed gurus online who've only led me into further losses. You know, in the sports world, someone posts a few picks and selections, you follow them, you might even win a few games, but then they hit a long losing streak and completely disappear. Now, I've seen this happen so often in the sports betting world, it's become a joke really. Thankfully, I came across an ad for Zcode and I decided to check it out. And trust me guys, it's possibly the best decision I've made so far. So just like any newbie, I signed up for the basic Zcode VIP package and I wasn't really sure how much information I'd be given access to. So I went straight to the VIP picks page, which is great. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the interface looks like. So this is the VIP picks wall where you get to see the automated picks and selections for the day. But if you want a quick glance of all the best systems to follow, then it's best to go straight to the top systems page. There's tons of systems and stats on this page alone, and it can be overwhelming at first, but you'll get the hang of it soon enough. Also, I didn't initially sign up for the sports trader. But believe me guys, if you're new to Zcode like I was, Sports Trader makes it so much easier for me to organize the systems I prefer to follow. It streamlines the pick selections and also gives me alerts and notifications for new picks. I have my favorite systems organized by different portfolios inside the Sports Trader. So there's my favorite combination of some of the best systems in American football, hockey, baseball, soccer and tennis even. This way I don't have to sit in front of my laptop all day and go through tons of sports info and forum topics. All I need to do is keep my bookie accounts open and ready within my browser. So as soon as I hear the sound notification on my system, all I have to do is go to the active tab inside the Sports Trader. Then go to my bookie, search for that game or match and place a bet there. Then all that's left to do is go back to the active tab, click the checkbox there to keep a track of the bets I've already placed. I don't have to think much about these selections, I just place the bets and wait for the results after the games. It took me about a month to wrap my head around how Zcode's tools and selections work. But just by doing this, I earned a profit of approximately $5,800 in just my first 6 months alone. And this was with an initial stake of just $20. I gradually increased it to $50 and now I'm betting with $100 per unit. I would have learned and profited much faster if I had signed up for the Sports Trader. But even if you do not have the Sports Trader, you can go through the VIP picks and the stop systems page that I had showed you guys earlier. So yeah, if you're a newbie, join Zcode soon and learn as much as you can about the automated picks, the top systems and tools like the line reversals app. You can't go wrong with Zcode because you have plenty of guidance available from the helpful experts there. Some of my favorite experts are Brendan, Jake, Cliff, Wade and Justin. So yeah, that's about it guys. I hope you enjoy being with Zcode just as much as I do and take care.